Hello everyone and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of Starfield video game. So in the game the greenhouse is not showing up and we're gonna fix it. So before moving further, first of all, update your PC and graphic drivers. Secondly, verify the game files from where you installed it. Now let's see what we can do in the game. Make sure to find a planet with flora because you can't set up greenhouse at incompatible planet. You require at least one flora, and make sure to scan flora up to 100% because the greenhouse feature will only visible when you reach the scanning level of 100%. Also make sure to connect water and power sources for flora. Many people forget to do this, but this is one of the most important things you should remember. And after checking all these things, just restart your device and your issue will be resolved. If not, then simply contact the customer support of the game. So I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.